love to tell the story.
Well, we're women.
No, but everybody does it.
Women do it more.
Women do it more. Well, like I said, I don't want to be biased here because I'll get in trouble because we're in a world of political correctness. If I say women do it more, somebody will see this video and somebody will come to my house.
Say it.
So, so you said women are more dramatic. I said, no, Kylie said women are more. I didn't say it. But,
we have an attention to detail that men do not.
This is true. I agree with you. Although yes and no. But anyway.
How to stop the
What's that?
cycle.
Well, I told
stop the cycle. No, so what I'm saying to you is this. This is where we get in trouble. Because I want to tell the story because that's my win. My win is I tell the story, I told that guy off, I said he's an idiot, he screwed up my taxes, that's my win. That's my egoic win. What I should be doing is saying, what is the feeling that I had when it happened? So what was the feeling?
I was mad at myself.
No, that's not it. What was the feeling? Mad is an anger, is a surface feeling. What was your feeling about yourself? What are you mad at yourself about?
I was frustrated for not following my intuition.
Okay, but what is that feeling?
Anger, I was pissed.
No, that anger is up here.
Frustrated.
Underneath, what? No, you were angry about what?
I relied on him.
No, keep going.
You
didn't trust yourself, you said it.
Yeah, I didn't trust myself. I should have.
Why didn't you trust yourself?
I was trying to save money. And he thought
No, that's not why. Because you didn't trust yourself because you didn't have confidence that you knew what to do. Right? So it's a feeling of, I didn't trust my gut. I didn't have confidence in myself. So what I did was I blew the whole thing up so I could now get this lesson of feeling now. And what you would want to do now, what we want to do with these things is say, where does that come from? Where does that lack of trust in myself come from? So if you go back to your childhood, then you can see where it came from, right? So it depends on how you grew up, how your parents treated you. Did your parents make you feel like you knew what you were doing?
No.
There you go. I mean, I didn't.
It made me question everything.
Right. So now, because I grew up, nobody said, "Hey, Joe, you make great decisions. You're the smartest person I know." That didn't happen. Everything was, "What are you doing? Why are you doing that? What's going on? Why are you wearing that shirt? Why are you doing?" So now, as you have to remember, as a kid, you get barraged with this over and over and over, and now it's like, okay, now I'm an adult, but that's still in there. That feeling of, I don't know what I'm doing. I can't make the right decision. I'm not smart. All those feelings come up. So now what we do here is we create a wheel, right? So we can say, oh, I'm going to bring this into my consciousness, and then I have to decide what's going to happen next. So I'm going to go through the wheel. If you don't know there's a wheel, it's nobody's fault. You don't even know. You're just mad, right? Because you get angry, you become a victim, you get validated, people say you're right, you get to tell your story, you go out to dinner, it's an exciting night.